We've only got one planet, and it's pretty big. At Zipcar, we try to help make the distance between us smaller. But Zipcar isn't just about getting people from A to B. Thanks to you, our community of more than 1 million car-sharing members around the world, we make an even bigger impact together. Every Zipcar replaces the need for 13 personally owned vehicles. As a member, you save an average of 219 gallons of gas a year. You reduce your personal CO2 emissions by up to 1,600 pounds. And you've helped take more than 400,000 cars off the road since Zipcar started. Every day, you show us that Zipcar's more than a set of wheels. It's a movement.
Zipcar for Business not only fits our green mission, it gets us to our shoots.
I use Zipcar because it's fast, reliable, and I wouldn't be able to take my whole fam on this hike. Woo! I'm a Zipster.
Every day, you make an impact.
It's a greener way to live.
I'm a Zipster.
I'm a Zipster. For life.
Thank you for being a Zipster.